I'm the Cash Budget Cajun, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your outboard motor. All you need to change your oil in an outboard is a metric socket set, ratchet, light-duty breaker bar, and a filter wrench. Always remember your hot cup of coffee and your greasy ball cap. First thing you'll want to do is get your oil up to operating temperature. I've set up a set of ear muffs so I can cool the motor down while I get it running, and the engine's just warming up. Next, remove your drain plug. Break it free with your socket, and make sure you have a catch pan ready because this is where it gets messy. Replace your drain bolt right away, tighten it up by hand, and then torque it down with your torque wrench. Remove your motor cover, then locate the oil filter on the side of the motor. It helps to stuff a clean rag underneath the oil filter. This will catch any drips when you remove the filter. You can remove it with your filter wrench. Thoroughly clean the filter mating surface with a towel. Then prep your new filter by placing a little bit of oil on the new seal. Then spin it on and tighten it up hand tight and hand tight only. Then remove your fill plug, drop in a funnel, and place the proper amount of oil into the block. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video gives you the confidence to tackle your boat maintenance at home. I'm the Cash Budget Cajun. Happy motoring.